Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you barefoot crochet curtain ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, first idea is viewers elegant lace crochet curtains. This is an elegant lace pattern that looks soft and graceful. It allows natural lights to pass out while still giving privacy to your room. This design is made with delicate stitches, creating a light and airy texture perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, window, in any space. And you can use white gem for a classic look or cream and pastel color for a modern touch. Handmade curtains always bring warmth and beauty to a home. Take your time, enjoy stitch. Modern simple crochet curtains. This pattern is simple, clean and stylish. It shows a stitch in a straight patterns, making it very friendly. And friends, the curtains look light and minimal, perfect for modern home decoration. You can use natural color like white trio. This simple design but very elegant and useful. Granny square curtains and frames. This design is made with simple square, each one with its own patterns and color. All squares are joined together to form a curtain spanner. It is a fun, colorful project you can use leftover and to make it budget and friendly. Every square makes your curtains unique and beautiful, perfect for creative crochet lovers. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more notice updates. weavers. So take care and Khuda Hafiz.